Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum Soup Easy Guide. Start by bringing 6 cups of water to a simmer and add 3 bruised stalks of lemongrass, 4 slices of galangal, and 3 kaffir lime leaves to build a bright, fragrant stock. Simmer gently for 10 minutes to extract flavor, then strain before adding proteins and aromatics for the final layers of taste. Gather the core ingredients before you start so cooking feels easy and relaxed. Prepare 300 grams of protein, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and 8 half cherry tomatoes. Have 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of sugar ready to taste. Slice aromatics thinly and bruise lemongrass to release oils. Once the stock is hot, add proteins last to avoid overcooking and maintain texture. Quick recommendation while you take a sip of soup. If you like a tidy kitchen, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps crumbs away without interrupting cooking flow. It's a little luxury that saves time between recipes and helps maintain a clean counter for prep. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like for more tips and kitchen helpers. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the process simple and enjoy the aromas as you cook. That makes the soup taste better. After you strain the infused broth, return it to a low simmer and add proteins and vegetables in stages. Taste and season with 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, then 2 tablespoons of lime juice for brightness. Adjust heat with sliced chilies or a dash of chili oil and serve hot with fresh cilantro on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.